Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Lowe River Primary from Trelawney up against Kensington Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Kensington Primary won, but they decided to send Lowe River Primary first, so we will begin with Lowe River Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and this section lasts for 4 minutes. So at that time on the clock, we begin with Lowe River on Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Revelation?
Deuteronomy.
Incorrect. Jude. Kensington, Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Psalms?
Ecclesiastes. Proverbs.
That's right. Lowe River Science. What are the products of photosynthesis?
The answer is
The time has passed. Would you like to try, Kensington? Kensington, would you like to try?
yes, sir.
Is that a yes? Go ahead.
Oxygen and glucose.
That's right. Your question now, Kensington. Science. Apart from sunlight, what else is required for photosynthesis to take place?
Carbon dioxide.
Incomplete. Carbon dioxide and water. Lowe River. Jamaican Affairs. Is Portmore a city, parish, or municipality?
Parish.
Incorrect. It's a municipality. Kensington, Jamaican Affairs. Is Port Royal a town, municipality, or parish?
Town.
That's right. Lowe River. English language. What is the preposition used in the sentence? The plant is beside the table.
Beside.
That's correct. Kensington, English language. What is the preposition used in the sentence? The box is outside the house.
Outside.
Correct. Lowe River Television. CNN is the name of an American news organization. What does CNN stand for? Time has passed. Would you like to try, Kensington?
No, sir.
CNN stands for Cable News Network. Kensington, your television question. BBC is the name of a UK-based news organization. What does BBC stand for?
British Broadcasting Corporation. British Broadcasting Corporation.
That's correct. Lowe River, general knowledge. The capital of Chile is Santiago. Is this true or false?
False.
Incorrect. It's true. Kensington, general knowledge. The capital of Mexico is Cancun. Is this true or false?
False.
That's correct. The capital would be Mexico City. Lowe River Social Studies. Which of Jamaica's national heroes was a leader in the Maroon community?
Nanny of the Maroons.
That's right. Kensington Social Studies. In which parish was the Jamaican Prime Minister, Sir Alexander Bustamante, born?
Hanover.
Correct. Music. Lowe River. Which Jamaican recorded the song I'm a Big Deal?
Miley Cyrus.
Incorrect. Christopher Martin. Kensington. Music. Which Jamaican singer recorded the song Lockdown?
Coffee.
That's correct. Lowe River. Mathematics. Giving your answer as a fraction in its lowest terms, what is the sum of 2/3 and 1/6? Your time has passed. Would you like to try, Kensington?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
5, 6.
That's right. Your math question, Kensington. Giving your answer as a fraction in its lowest terms, what is the sum of 5/8 and a quarter?
7, 8.
7, 8.
That's correct. Sports. We don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Kensington Primary on 10 and Lowe River Primary on 2. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns right after these messages.